Welcome back, traders. Today I'll unveil an extraordinary trading strategy that leverages the power of cutting-edge technology. We will go through an AI moving average indicator that is remarkable and thinks better than traditional indicators. This groundbreaking tool harnesses the potential of artificial intelligence to revolutionize your trading experience. So say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precise predictions. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. I will explain this strategy using the AI indicator in detail in this video, so I'll quickly cross out these indicators to explain everything from the beginning. Let's first add the indicator to the chart. So first of all, we will head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Machine Learning Optimization Moving Average indicator. After this, select this indicator made by ZMan and add it to the chart. As you can see, we currently are not seeing anything displayed on the chart. If we take a look at the top right corner, we can see that a table is plotted that shows us the data that we are currently using along with the value of the EMAs. Since we won't be using the table, let's disable it to make the chart less cluttered. Let's head over to the Indicator Settings tab to properly configure the indicator. Click on the Indicator Settings button and navigate to the Inputs tab. The first setting we can change is the Historical Data Lookback. This can either be set to Custom or All Data. When you change it to Custom, the indicator will only look back for the amount you input. However, since we want to have the largest data set for the most accurate results, let's select All Data. Next, we can choose what the optimization goal is. As you can see, there are three options. The first option is Performance, which means that you will get the best MI value based on which MA period performed best in terms of the number of percentage caught. If you choose Win Rate, it means that you get the best moving average value based on the MAA that provides the highest win rate. The final option is Combined. We will be selecting this option since it combines the calculations and selects the best performing period out of the two. We will also be selecting the Machine Learning checkbox. This option allows us to also use machine learning to optimize the best MA value. If we would disable this option, the calculation would only use an optimization algorithm. Finally, let's change both the moving average types to EMA. That was all that we needed to do. We can see that the EMAs are now updated. It's often hard to find the best period for the moving average since it's usually different for each asset or time frame. However, this artificial intelligence moving average completely solves this problem. This indicator uses a machine learning algorithm to determine the best moving average period based on the current market conditions. Along with this, the indicator also self-adapts, meaning that automatically changes the moving average period based on changes in the market conditions. Another benefit of using this algorithmic moving average is that it eliminates the need for subjective analysis. Traditional moving averages require traders to manually adjust the period to fit the market conditions, which can be time-consuming and may lead to errors. With this algorithmic indicator, you can assume that the period being used is optimal for the current market environment. Now that we know exactly how the indicator works, let's take a look at how we can read the indicator. By the way, if you guys want amazing buy and sell trade signals for free, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. The easiest and most common way of utilizing the indicator involves looking for crossover signals. If the fast period moving average crosses above the longer period moving average, it indicates that a buy trend will be playing out. If the fast period moving average crosses below the longer period moving average, it indicates that a sell trend will be playing out. With this method, we can easily identify the market trend. However, because of the long-term signals that are provided, the signals will sometimes have a delay, making entering into a position based on the crossover a bad idea. We can see this occurred here. Even though the price action did eventually follow the trend signaled by the crossover, if we would have entered into the position immediately after the crossover, the trade would not have been profitable. In order to enter into short-term trades, one of the best methods we can use is the pullback. This means that for a bullish signal, we will first need the price to be trading above the slow EMA. This shows us that the longer-term trend is bullish. If this is the case, we will look for the price to make a pullback to the fast EMA. In order to confirm that the price won't continue in the downward direction, we will need to see the price respecting the fast EMA, showing us that there is still bullish pressure in the market. If we take a look at the price action after this occurred, we can see that the price indeed continued in the upward direction. Similarly, for a bearish signal, the price will need to be trading below the slow EMA, indicating that the longer-term trend is bearish. If this is the case, we will look for the price to make a retracement to the fast EMA. In order to confirm that the price won't continue in the upward direction, we will need to see the price respecting the fast EMA, indicating that there is still bearish pressure in the market. As you can see here, the price respected the fast EMA and continued in the downward direction. You guys may have noticed the market needs to be trending to enter into positions. In order to avoid periods of consolidation, we will add an extra indicator and one more rule in our strategy. So we will head over to the Indicator Search tab and search for the Volume Oscillator indicator. Select this indicator made by TradingView and add it to the chart. Now head over to the style settings of the indicator. Here we will be changing the color to make the indicator easier to see. That was all that we needed to do. The volume oscillator is a technical analysis indicator that calculates the difference between two moving averages of volume. This oscillator is used to measure the momentum of the volume trend, indicating the buying or selling pressure in the market. It helps traders to identify possible changes in price direction and confirm the strength of a current trend. This means that if the volume in the market is lower, the value of the volume oscillator will also be lower, helping us spot consolidation periods. I actually forgot to turn off the table. I'll quickly remove that from the settings. Now that we know how every indicator works and how we can read them, let's take a look at some entries that we can make using the indicators. By the way, if you guys want amazing buy and sell trade signals for free, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. So in order to enter a buy trade, you will wait for these conditions to be fulfilled. We can see here that the price is in an uptrend. We know this because the price is trading above the EMAs. Along with this, we can also see that the EMAs made a bullish crossover here. If we take a closer look at the price action, we can see that the price made a pullback to the slow EMA, and after that bounced back and respected this level. Finally, the value of the volume oscillator is above the zero line, showing us that there's enough volume in the market, making it likely that the market will start trending instead of consolidating. All of the signals indicate that it's a good idea to enter into a buy position. So we will enter into a buy position here when the price closes above the fast EMA. We will be placing the stop loss at the recent swing low. For the take profit, we will target a 2x risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. And we can see the market hit our target easily. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. So for a sell trade to be valid, first of all, we want the market to be in a downtrend. We know this when the price is moving below the EMAs, and also because of the bearish EMA crossover. Then we want the price to make a pullback to the slow EMA, and after that, bounced back below the fast EMA. Finally, we will look at the volume oscillator for confirmation, and we can see that the value is above zero, showing us that there is a sufficient amount of volume in the market. So we will enter into the position once the price closes below the fast EMA. We will be placing the stop loss at the recent swing high. For the take profit, we will be targeting a 2x risk to reward ratio. So this is basically the gist of the strategy. I hope you guys have understood this strategy properly. Before leaving, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to get a notification when I upload a new strategy. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.